everybody. I'm here today to show you and tell you how to store markers so they don't dry out. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you have markers, any sort of markers, and you want to store them so they are less likely to dry out, there's a very specific way to store them. Okay, now most markers are going to have a single tip just like this. Okay, you can see on one end of the marker, there is a tip over there. I'm going to put the cap back on, and on the other end, there's nothing, okay? So we have a tip on one end and nothing on the other end. It is just a single tip marker. If you have a single tip marker, which is going to be the case most of the time, okay, you want to actually store them with the tip facing down. So you can see here's the tip over here. I'm going to put the cap on the tip, and the tip is facing down. The reason you want to do this is because there's ink inside of this sort of canister over here. Okay, and the way the markers work is that the ink goes to the tip, and when you sort of press the tip on paper, it's going to release some of that ink. Very simple. When you press the tip on any writing surface, it's going to release some of the ink. As I was about to say, it's going to release sort of the ink. No, it will release the ink. It will release some of the ink, not sort of. It's going to release the ink. Okay, some of the ink, not sort of. I misspoke, but it's all good. Basically, when you put the marker like this and you sort of write on something, okay, the ink is going down to the tip, and then the tip is releasing some of the ink, okay? That's sort of what happens for the most part, okay? Now, the reason you store them with the tip facing down is because it keeps the ink right here and prevents the tip from drying out. If you store them facing up for long enough, the ink is going to be, moving downward, and the tip will still have some ink in it, but over time that ink is likely to dry out. So if you leave them stored, for a day, it's really not a big deal, okay? If you're using all your markers every single day, not a big deal. But if you're leaving them stored for a while, okay, and you're not using them for a while, how long that is, it depends. It all depends on many factors. But if you're leaving them stored for a while, then, the tip can dry out because the ink is down here, right? So just as a good measure, you can basically store them with the tip facing down. This way, whether they're sitting there for an hour, for a day, for a month, for a year, they're less likely to dry out. Very, very simple method. And on a side note, on the rare circumstance where you have a dual tip marker, so you have a marker with two tips, one on either side, you can store them horizontally. So just store them like this horizontally, okay? Very, very simple. That's basically how to do it, okay? You got a dual tip marker with a marker with two tips, stored horizontally, lay it flat. If you have a single tip marker, just like this, a regular sort of everyday marker, store with the tip facing down. With the tip down, it's going to be less likely to dry out. It's going to take longer to dry out. It's just going to store better. Very simple. Obviously, make sure you have the cap on. That goes without saying, but I'll say it anyways. Make sure you have the cap on, but with the cap on properly and fully, store with the tip facing down. And that's it. You can make your markers, be less likely to dry out and prevent them from drying out. Very, very simple storage method. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.